If you own a school community, tell me if any of this sounds familiar. You're struggling to get new members. The members you do have aren't engaging. You're posting constantly and getting crickets. People visit your About page but don't join. You're not sure what your members actually want. You don't know what to charge. Or maybe you're doing 20 different things and have no idea which one is actually growing your community. Most school owners don't have an effort problem. They have a system problem. That's exactly why I built Skool Growth Lab. Instead of giving you another course telling you 100 things you could be doing, the growth engine is designed to help you figure out what your school needs and then give you the tools to actually work on it. Think of it as your school growth operating system. I don't know why my school isn't growing. The growth engine helps you analyze your community, identify weaknesses, and figure out where to focus next. Maybe I picked the wrong niche. Use niche and positioning tools to clarify who you're helping, the problem you're solving, and why someone should join. People are finding my school, but they aren't joining. Improve your positioning, offer, and about page instead of automatically assuming you need more traffic. I never know what to post. Build and improve posts, generate ideas, create polls, and develop content around actual growth objectives. Nobody engages with my posts. Get help creating content designed to generate conversations instead of simply filling your feed. New members join and then disappear. Analyze your onboarding and create a clearer path toward a member's first action and first win. I don't know what my members want. Member Insights lets you create surveys, quizzes, and assessments so you can ask instead of guess. I have members, but I'm not making enough money. Work on your offer, pricing, value proposition, and monetization strategy. I need to build a course. Use the growth engine to help structure your courses, lessons, and quizzes instead of staring at a blank screen. I don't know what I should work on next. Use reviews, growth planning, and analysis to identify your next growth move rather than chasing another random tactic. Other schools are growing faster than mine. Study community breakdowns and successful communities to understand their positioning, funnels, offers, engagement, and growth strategies. I'm trying to grow completely by myself. Use the Collaboration Hub to connect with other school owners for guest teachings, podcast swaps, affiliates, beta testing, feedback, and cross-promotion. I'm using tools scattered everywhere. Bring your growth tools, planning, CRM, notes, tasks, content tools, and community growth resources into the growth engine. The growth engine isn't designed to magically grow your school for you. It's designed to remove the guessing. What's my biggest problem? What should I fix? What should I create? What should I test? What should I do next? That's what the growth engine is built to help you answer. You don't need another 100 school growth tips. You need to know which one is going to work for you to help you grow your own school. That's what we're building inside Skool Growth Lab. Stop guessing, start experimenting, find what works, and grow your school.